Hi guys, well I was down at Lidl yesterday and I picked up an electric impact wrench. The battery for my Sealy one is like £110 just for a battery, so I've got this plug-in one to give it a try, so we'll see how it goes. So this is it here. We'll open it up and see what it's like, and I'll check and see if it's going to take the wheel nuts off. And I have a torsion bar bush to change, so we'll give that a wee try. Oh, good weight to it. Sockets 22mm, 21, 19 and 17. A couple of magnet pushes for the motor, change it on the motor. Probably don't need to do that. Right, we'll give it a try. The gun comes with two brushes, so I don't know if they wear away quick or not, and they just go in here, open them up, one either side, open them up, put the new brushes in. So if they wear away, I don't know, to give you two. I've never seen any of the other ones with giving you brushes. We'll see how it goes. Try this on the wheel nuts, 17mm. Oh. That's quite fierce, that. Oh, put that back on that again. Wow. Good bit of power in it. Looking good. Well, looks like a good buy, guys, for £39. As long as you don't need a battery one. If you're near the house, you can get it fixed. Get your wheels off, get some stubborn nuts off. So, looks like a good deal. Hope you liked the video, guys. If you liked it, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.